The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Franklin County, southeastern Osage County, south central Warren County, central Gasconade County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over land, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Owensville around 6:55 p.m., Rosebud and Drake around 7 p.m., Gerald around 7:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Beaufort, New Haven, Washington, and Union. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.